Guys, nakapunta ako dito guys. Nakapunta ako dito. Pa.
Ama mo ka?
Nasa hospital.
Hospital?
Ano po, hindi ko alam kung hospital yun. Ano lang. May pumunta lang.
Kanina ka?
Opo. Opo.
Ano kung sumalis?
Mga umaga. Maaga.
Madilim ba?
Opo.
Lola mag-isa siya?
Opo. Gagi, sayang guys. Ulitin natin. Guys, tara guys. Ulitin natin, nanalo ako, sayang. Tinalo ako ng isang player eh. Nakapag-visit. Kaya tayo. I have this. I got that, bro. Bro, subscribe now, bro. Chimpanzee banana ito. Tralalero, tralala. Arcalero, arcala. Elefanta, elefanta. Okay guys. Lagi. Ay, gumana guys. Subscribe now guys. Let's beat this again. Okay, we're gonna another game. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna leave this. I'm win. Slap tower. Ano yan? Slap tower. What? Slap tower na kaya tayo. Slap tower. Oops. Slap tower na. Let's see. Slap tower. X na lang. Slap tower X. Let's do this, guys. I don't know what is this. What is the code? See. Let's see. What is the code? Please. What is the code? What is the code, please? I'm gonna oops. Yes, Slap Tower X. Okay. Like that. X. Okay, bet. Trust me. Okay, bet. Okay. Okay. What's the code? Okay. Wait. Where am I in the... Okay, we need... Wait, what is this? Funds. Tower. For... Dito naman. Look. Boss. Nice. Slap. Tower. 2. And the best. Slap. Tower. X. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, dito lang muna yun. Okay, thank you. What is the code? Tower. X. This work. Oh. What is? Okay. Mali yan. Best. Tower. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I knew Oh, thank you very much. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this works right. 3 true. Okay, this is easy. Okay, guys, sorry. I don't really gonna play back there, but because we're gonna beat this game, another game, like I just beat that game that's the hardcore, like that. You know, are you serious? Okay, my turn. Alright, we're gonna beat that guy. Let's try with me. Alright, let's see. If this works, I'm gonna throw her. Okay, let's see this work. Just stand now, just let me. Oh, you. 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 Oh, ayaw guys. Not working. Thank you. Yo, controller. Oh, lumilipad yan, gagi. Guys, ay, oh my god. Oh. Hacker. Okay, let's beat this game. We're gonna mad this game. Okay, let's beat this game. Okay. Okay. Let's beat this game anyway. Okay, I'm gonna troll this guy. Okay, do it muna, babe. Oh shit. Wait. That guy is. Wait. Where is the guy? Wait. Let's see this work. Oh, thank you. He's my friend now. Alright, let's see this work. Is this work? Yo, this is easy, bro. Comment if this is easy. Yo, this is easy. Yo, this is easy. You know, this is easy. Subscribe. Oh my god. I just fall into that small block. I just slide over there. Like he. I just slide. It's hard to do, but yo. Ay! Aray ko. Oh my god. Okay, let's beat this again. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard. You know, you don't know this is hard. This is hard. Yeah, this is hard. This is so hard. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, I'm lag. Oh, it's not lag. I'm scared in lag. Oops, don't just walk. Don't jump. Because you're gonna fall there. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Wait, just practice. Oh my god. Why am I dying? So, this is too easy. You know, this is too easy. Oh, I forget that. Wait, I'm lucky now. Why lucky? Let's beat this game. just happened? What? Oh, why is not why? Oh, I'm lagging. I'm just lagging. Okay, that's close to. It's close. I want to beat this game, bruh. If you wanna beat this game, Slap Tower X. Comment down below if you want to beat this Slap Tower X. Okay, I'm in here. Okay, just calm down. Just calm down. Okay. Just calm down. Calm down. Just calm down. Okay. That's hard. Okay, this is not easy now. But wait, is oh, it's not. Oh, you trying to lag me, huh? Oh my god, it's lag ka. I'm lagging, bruh. I'm lagging because why I'm lagging, bruh? Oh my god. Why every time I'm just fall, bro? I'm trying to beat this kick. Oh my god. Okay, this. Okay. Yo, what? How I die? Bro, are you serious? Are you serious now, bro? I wanna beat this game, but I just die. What just happened? The play. Okay. The another. If player troll me. Oh my god. I see that player. He wanna troll me. Okay, you wanna troll me, huh? Right, I'm gonna troll you too. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. If I die, oh my god, that's. Oh, you not troll me, huh? You not troll me, huh? You're not. Wait, he's not. He's not. Wow, that's hacker or not? I'm lagging. Yo, stop trolling me. Wanna troll me, huh? I wanna beat this game, but this player is trolling me. You know. My god, I just fall again. So many play in there, That's so many player. That's so many player, guys. So many player. This is hard, I think. Down below is this easy, That bacon is trying to troll me. Yo! Okay. I just fall. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Yo, I'm lagging. I said I'm scared in lag, right? Comment down below if you scared in lag. You know. I don't want lag. Like that. Like that, like this, like that, like this. Okay. Did okay. If the bacon just okay. Stop trolling me, huh? Wait, he's flying. I said he's flying, right? I I'm right. He's a hacker, you know. Hacker. You hacker. Okay, this is hard. Okay, this is a hard, I think. Okay, this is so hard, bro. If I fall again, I'm gonna mad, you know. I'm gonna mad. Okay, I'm gonna mad. I'm gonna mad. I'm gonna mad. Okay. Bro, if I die in here, bro. Uh, uh, I just die again. That's so close. Okay, we're gonna beat this again. I wanna beat this guy. Okay. It's hard, bro. Yeah, okay, let's do this. But don't roll. Don't roll. Don't roll. Okay. I'm lagging, bro. That's so close. I'm gonna fall, bro. Guys, comment down below if I lag or not. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging. This girl, I'm gonna troll her. Mm, Go away. Oh no. Yes. Oh shit. I wanna troll her, but he's bro. Okay. Teka lang. Okay. Let's see. Okay. He's a troller. Oh my god, this is hard. Let's see. Wait. Yes. Mosquito is trying to drink my blood, guys. Oh my god. Yo, that's close. Yo, okay. E Ay. Wait. Oh no. Is hacker. Guys, he's hacker. Oh my god, he's hacker. Yo, I just fall again. Are you serious? Oh my god. Stop, Raul. Hate this. I hate this tower. Okay. And go leave. Go leave. If you hate this tower, go leave. Huh? Huh? If you stop, ugly boy, you're ugly. All. He's angry. Tai mo. Oh, yan o. Tai mo yan, guys. He's Tagalog. He's not from America. I'm from America, guys. Oh my god. Down below if you're from America or not. Oh my god, stop. Okay, I'm gonna troll you, but you're nice. You're nice, girl. But, okay, he's nice. She is nice, girl. Okay, I'm not gonna try her. He's nice girl, okay. Now, God, guys. Okay, last. Oh my God, you troller? Are you troller? Are you troller? Are you troller? Okay. I think he's not troller. Okay, just troll. Huh? Oh, thank you. Not thank you. Guys, I wanna beat this game. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, my time is out. Let's not beat this game, but bruh. Okay. Part 2, you wanna comment if you wanna part 2 this. Bye. Wow!